Hi guys, in this video we'll look at how to set up event notifications by Telegram bot. We'll also use project from our previous video, project properties tab, events and history. I'll remind you that we get a notification about events with priority lower 100. These events are filling is above 400 liters and filling is below 100 liters. In this video, let's look at how we can set up getting notifications by Telegram bot. Of course, you need the Telegram application to be installed. Let's start. Open the Telegram application. First, you need to create your own Telegram bot. Find the bot with the name @botfather. Press the Start button and send /new bot command. Next, you need to set a bot name and username. Let's give name Fluid Supply. Then set username. It must end with the word _bot. Set fluid _bot. After that, the token will be received. Copy it and paste it in Tesla SCADA ID. Go to Project Properties, Events and History tab, tap Telegram bot, enable property, set bot's name and paste token. Then set priority for this type of notification. If you leave value -1, general priority will be applied. The next field is message. If this field is empty, text message will be sent. You can create message using keywords in braces. List of keywords is on the screen. You can always find them in Tesla SCADA user manual posted on our website. So let's set message. Save our settings. The next step is to run Tesla SCADA runtime. Run project. Then users who want to receive notifications by Telegram bot should find our bot in Telegram. Note that search is carried out by bot's username, but in the result search list you should choose bot's name. This is relevant if bot's name and bot's username differ. Send command /start. Be sure you received the message you have started to monitor notification messages from Tesla SCADA tool. And now set value. You see we've got a notification by Telegram. You can also get some additional information by using commands. Use command /info and you will receive a list of possible commands. Enter /tags to get current values of tags. Enter name of the tag used in your project. You'll get information about value of this tag. And if this tag supports history, you'll get trend for last hour. You can choose other period by clicking proper button. Note that you should not use underline in the name of the tags. Telegram have problems with working with this kind of names. You should also note that you can use Telegram bot only on desktop versions of Tesla SCADA runtime. That's all. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us by email or in our forum. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new videos. Thank you for watching.